What's the time?
It's 1 o'clock. An analog clock has 3 hands. The hour hand is short. It shows the hour. The minute hand is longer than the hour hand. It shows the minutes. The second hand is the longest. It moves very fast. The color is usually different. The clock has 2 halves. We use past for the first half. We use to for the second half. It's 1:05. In British English, 1.05 is used in writing, but when speaking you say 1:05. It's 1:10. It's 1:15. We don't say 1:15. Instead, we use 1:15 for 15 minutes. You can also say 1:15. 1/4. 1/4 to. It's 1:20. You can also say 1:20. It's 1:25. You can also say 1:25. It's 1/2. We don't say 30 past. We say 1/2 for 30 minutes. You can also say 1:30. It's 1:25. You can also say 1:35. It's 1:20. You can also say 1:40. It's 1:45. You can also say 1:45. It's 10:02. You can also say 1:50. It's 5:02. You can also say 1:55. It's 2 minutes to 2. You can also say 1:58. If you don't want to be exact, you can say, it's nearly 2, it's almost 2, or it's just before 2. It's 3 minutes past 2. If you don't want to be exact, you can say, it's just gone 2, or it's just after 2. Exact times and periods of time.